Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn, you should just go to Settings. After that we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Then in this list you will enter to the window of LinkedIn. Here in this page of App Info we click on First Stop. Then we click OK and you will enter to Storage. After that we click Clear Cache. And then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. And here you can go to Play Store. You can uninstall your app and you can wait a moment to install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.